Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how I made these customized canvas makeup bags using my Cricut machine and glitter heat transfer vinyl. This is a super quick and easy project that makes a great customized gift. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step. I started with this black canvas makeup bag I got on Amazon and used a ruler to figure out what size I wanted my design to be. I used this gold glitter heat transfer vinyl that came in a large roll and is also from Amazon. There are links in the description. Next, I uploaded the eyelash design to Cricut Design Space. I removed the background and uploaded it to my canvas as a cut file. Then I resized the image to be 7 inches wide and hit Make It. A very important step whenever you're using heat transfer vinyl is to turn on the mirror toggle in the left toolbar, which will flip your design. This is because we will be cutting on the underside of the design that will be laid flat against the shirt when we iron it. It doesn't really matter for this design because it's symmetrical, but it's something to keep in mind whenever you're using HTV. Then I hit continue, connected my machine, and set my base material to glitter iron on vinyl. I usually pick more pressure to get a nice clean cut. I made sure my fine point blade was loaded in my machine and I was ready to make my cut. I cut a piece of the glitter vinyl large enough to fit my design and placed it shiny side down on my standard grip cutting mat. The shiny side is a carrier sheet that you want to put your iron or heat press on top of, and we don't want to cut into that. You want to cut from the underside where the actual vinyl is, which again is why you always mirror your design. So make sure you're always applying your HTV shiny side down to the cutting mat. Then I loaded my mat into the machine and started the cut. Once the cut was done, I weeded the design with my hook tool and carefully removed it from the cutting mat. Cricut has a heat guide on their website that gives you heat transfer instructions for whatever it is you're using. I've linked it in the description as well. I'm using a household iron, so I just use these instructions as guidelines. I'm using this heat press mat I got on Amazon. It's not the Cricut brand one, it's a cheaper one by a different company and it works great. It's linked in the description. The instructions say to preheat the fabric, so that's what I'm doing with my iron here. You just want it to be warm before you place your design on it. I used a ruler to help line up my design and then applied my iron for 30 seconds with firm pressure. Then I flipped it over and pressed the back for an additional 15 seconds. I waited until it was cool to the touch before gently peeling back the carrier sheet. If anything is peeling up with the carrier sheet as you're removing it, you can go back over it with your iron or heat press to make sure it's fully transferred. I didn't have any issues with that this time, but it tends to happen with designs that have a lot of tiny details in them. And that's all there is to it. These make a great gift for bridal parties where you can customize each one with their names, or you can use them for travel and label each one according to what's inside. There are so many possibilities and they take no time at all. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what you would like to see next. See you later!